Have you ever wondered why affordable Chinese products dominate markets across the globe? It's a question that's crossed many minds, and the answer lies in the shrewd business acumen of Chinese manufacturers and their ability to blend quality with affordability. From the bustling markets of Africa to the high-tech stores of Europe and America, you'll find Chinese products everywhere. They're accessible, they're affordable, and they're versatile. Whether it's a simple electricity product like a light bulb, a high-tech solar panel, or even the mobile phone in your pocket, the chances are high that it was made in China. And then there are the cars. Yes, those shiny, efficient vehicles that have been making waves in the automobile industry. Many of them too have their roots in China. As we delve deeper into this topic, we might just find that the Chinese products we often take for granted are a significant part of the world's economy. Let's begin with electricity products. China, the world's manufacturing powerhouse, is known for its export prowess in electricity products. The export rates of these products have been on a steady uptrend, making their way to every corner of the globe. From Europe to Africa, from Asia to the Americas, they're everywhere, and there's no sign of them slowing down. Now, you might be wondering, what makes these products so popular? Two words: affordability and quality. China has mastered the art of mass production without compromising on quality, allowing them to offer products at prices that are often unbeatable. Combine this with reliability and innovation, and you've got a winning formula. Whether it's home appliances, lighting solutions, or electrical components, Chinese electricity products are a common sight in households and industries worldwide, thanks to their blend of cost-effectiveness and performance. So it's clear that Chinese electricity products have a significant presence internationally. But what about other products? From harnessing the power of the sun to staying connected and even getting from point A to point B, Chinese products are there. Let's delve into the realm of solar panels, mobile phones, and cars. These items have made a significant impact on our daily lives, and their popularity is largely attributed to Chinese exports. Solar panels from China have become a global phenomenon. The reason? They are not only affordable, but also of high quality. China has become a world leader in solar technology, and it's no secret why. The country has made significant advancements in solar cell efficiency and panel design, making solar power more accessible and efficient than ever before. Next, let's talk about mobile phones. China's tech giants have been producing cutting-edge smartphones that rival those of established Western brands. These phones are packed with features, yet they come with a price tag that's often much more appealing. It's this combination of quality and affordability that has led to a surge in the export of Chinese mobile phones. Then we have cars. China is the world's largest car manufacturer, producing a vast array of vehicles from affordable compact cars to luxurious sedans. Chinese car brands have mastered the art of offering feature-rich vehicles at competitive prices. This has made them a popular choice for consumers across the globe. The high production rates in China also play a crucial role in the global popularity of these products. With a robust manufacturing sector, China can produce and export at a scale that few other countries can match. This allows for a constant supply of products meeting the high global demand. To sum up, advanced technology, competitive pricing, and high production rates are the key factors contributing to the global popularity of Chinese solar panels, mobile phones, and cars. It seems that whether it's for sustainable energy, communication, or transportation, Chinese products have found a place in markets worldwide. It's fascinating to see how Chinese products have integrated themselves into our everyday lives, isn't it? We've journeyed through the wide-reaching influence of these products, from the spark of electricity products to the empowering potential of solar panels and the mobility granted by cars. It's a testament to China's manufacturing prowess and their ability to make these products accessible and affordable, no matter where in the world you may reside. Mobile phones, another area where China has left an indelible mark, have become almost an extension of ourselves, a testament to the country's innovation and reach. It's a global dance of commerce and culture, with China playing a leading role. Next time you switch on a light, charge your phone, or even take a drive, remember the global journey that these products have taken. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing insights. Until next time.